Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to recreate the look that I posted on my Insta story, and I already asked you guys to vote whether I should recreate this look or not, and all of you guys voted yes. So this is the video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Guys, I'm done with my brows and my base, and I'll just head to my eyes now. So for eye makeup, I'm going to use this Etude House. Can you focus? Please focus. This Etude House Play Color Eyes in Wine Party, and I really love the color selection because the color is really nice. And for the base, I'm going to use this brown as the base. And just apply all over your eyes. Stop. Okay, so I'm done with my base, and next color I'm going to take is this color, this one. So for that, I'm going to use this pointy brush, and I'm just going to put it right here. And then put a little bit at your lower eyes, just like half of your eyes, like this. And then you just have to use your finger, this, and then take this color and just apply it right here on your lids. Just apply it on your lids like this. This is a really simple eye makeup, and everyone can follow it because it's simple. Okay, if you listen to anything again, my cat, Gray, come. I'm going to show you my cat. Wait, Gray, come here, Gray. This is my cat called Gray. His name is Gray, and he's 4 months old. Okay lah, jalan lah. So that's my cat. Okay, we'll continue. And after I put this kind of color on my eyes, oh my god, so pretty, I'm going to use this palette from Innisfree, and this is actually a customizable palette, and I customize it like this. This is the contour shade, and this too is the eyeshadow color. And I will take this, just a bit of this, the edges like this, and then I'll just have to highlight this inner part of my, how do you guys call it, inner eyes I guess, with this, and just put it like this. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Maybelline eyeliner. I'll just have to put a little bit eyeline right here. And then I will curl my lashes and use this mascara. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara from Maybelline. And yeah, I'll just curl my lashes. And I will use this mascara from Maybelline. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Just apply it at the top of my lashes and the bottom of my lashes, like so. I'll contour my face using this Palladio, the Definer Contour Plus Highlight Palette. I'm going to contour my nose using this shade, and I'm going to contour my cheek as well. This is a little bit grayish. I don't know. It looks gray. So I'll just have to contour my nose like this. Oh, my cat is sleeping. Oh, Yeah, the naabis. My sister is waiting for me because we're going out to eat sushi. She's going to pay for it, so I really like free food. This is a brush that I'll use to blend the, you know, contour shade. Just blend it like this. So I'm using this Clinique Blush Pop. Oh my god. Using this brush. Just put a little on your cheek. So ready, so freaking good. Oh my god, this is too much. I'm going to tone it down. As you guys could see, it is a little bit too much, so I'm going to use this pot to tone it down. Let's see. And we'll head to the lip. So for lip, I'm going to use this Ultra Matte Lip from Colourpop in Speed Dial, and I'll just have to put it at my inner part of my lips. It's not in the corner. What am I saying? I don't know what's wrong with my English. I've been practicing English a lot, but you know, it's getting worse. So using this, I'll blend it out. And then for highlights, I'm going to use this palette highlighters because it's not that obvious and it's looking great. I'll check this. So freaking. If you ask me whether I like this palette or not, I don't like the highlighter, to be very frank, because I'm too lazy to get to my room and then take another highlighter. I'll just use this one. I'm running late. My sister keep asking me to get ready real fast because she wanna eat. She haven't eaten for quite some time since the morning. Wait, she had a breakfast. Dia makan mie sedap tadi. But now, you know, it's already 2+. So she's hungry. My nose. It's not even that good. Oh, so cute. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoy my video, and this is actually a recreation of my past makeup that I post on my Insta story, and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you like my video, and see you again on my next one. Bye.